She was a woman ahead of her time. She was a Bohemian. She was a feminist, a stark feminist. Stark, well, yeah, stark. She was an early beatnik. She had various affectations. She could tell stories. She made a decent French toast, and lived an incredible life. Emigrated to Palestine in the 20s. Went back and forth. She was an ardent Zionist, very probably secular, another one of these Bolsheviks. Obviously an iconoclast. She was unique within the family. I liked her a lot. It was fun going over there. I went over there many Sunday mornings for her French toast, and just hear some stories and not hear some stories. She would wear clothes from the 30s and 40s, retro, yeah, and unusual stuff. Things, in some cases, that she had made herself. She did embroidery. Yeah, I recall her reading a lot and having strong opinions. I think of her with these pince-nez glasses, right? And kind of a looking down of just like like some pseudo-intellectual, which I'm not saying she was. I think she was an intellectual, certainly in her own way. But yeah, just different. I mean, she had traveled widely, unlike her nephews and niece, and had experienced things. I mean, lived in Palestine, was an original, well, close to original Zionist. Her experiences were vast, and I think a good part of the family kind of indulged her, yeah, it's Miriam, it's Aunt Miriam, right? No, I saw it, just differently, I guess, from the eyes of a child. I thought she was just fascinating.